Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lakeland Highlands, local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Lakeland Highlands, 3 Movers is your trusted local moving company. We take pride in our knowledge of the city's neighborhoods, allowing us to plan the logistics to move efficiently. From packing and loading to transportation and unpacking, our local moving services are designed to provide you with a stress-free experience, allowing you to settle into your new space quickly. With our local expertise, we can guide you through the process and recommend the most efficient routes to your new destination. Lakeland Highlands offers a diverse range of neighborhoods, each with its unique charms and amenities. Whether you're moving to a vibrant downtown area or a peaceful suburban neighborhood, our team will navigate the streets of Lakeland Highlands with ease. Planning a long-distance move from Lakeland Highlands, 3 Movers has you covered. Our Lakeland Highlands long-distance 3 Movers will work closely with you to create a customized moving plan for your budget and timeline. With our extensive network and commitment to excellent customer service, you can trust 3 Movers to handle your long-distance move with professionalism, reliability, and the utmost care for your belongings. Whether you're moving to a neighboring state or across the country, we will coordinate all the logistics and provide you with the peace of mind throughout the journey. With our extensive network and commitment to excellent customer service, you can trust us for a seamless long-distance move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakeland Highlands moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.